Good morning everyone. My name is Pallavi and today we will study tenses. As you all know that there are three categories in tenses: present tense, past tense and the future tense. Present tense, under which comes simple present. So what the rule of present tense? Subject plus verb. So we use the present tense when we talking about habit or routine, and when we talking about facts. For example, I play football every day, and second example is he works as a trainer. Okay, so here is a two example. Okay, in first example I had not add here s, and in second example I had here s. What the differences between two examples? See, when we have to add when we have to use this form I, you, we and they, then we have to no need to add s, and when we have to use this form he, she, it, then we have to add s. Okay, now come to the present continuous tense. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing. So here is a is, am, are. With the I we have to use am. With the he, she, it we have to use is, and you, we, they we have to use are. Now come to the uses of present continuous tense. So first uses is actions happening now. For example, they are having lunch. Second example, I am singing at church today. Okay, second uses is changes taking place now. For example, the stock are dropping constantly due to the economy. Now come to the present perfect. In present perfect there is a rule or subject plus has or have plus verb. Okay, with the I, you, we, they we have to use have, and with the he, she, it we have to use has. Now come to the uses. So first uses is experience. Okay, she has was that so 3 times this week. This is the experience. Okay, now come to the second uses of present perfect. Second uses of present perfect is he has drunk tea. Now next is present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous they show actions start in the past and are still continuing. Here is the rule of present perfect continuous, that is subject plus has or have been plus verb, first form of verb with ing. It has been raining since 4 a.m. Okay, this is the example of present perfect continuous. That means it is still continuing. Okay, that's why we are using ing here. Second example, he has been playing football since he was a child. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.